Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do stick around, and also at the end of this video, if you liked the video, please do well by giving it a thumbs up, by liking. Also comment down below what you like about the video, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. This really helps my channel. Now let's get into this box unboxing. So this is the TRESS Wellness Waxing Kit. And it comes with a warmer and hard waxes, as you can see. It also has pre-wax solution and after wax solution, and also some sticks in it. And in this video I'm just going to show you how I use it to wax some parts of my body. I use it for my armpit and some little areas on my body. I've been waxing for, I want to say, about 3, maybe 4 years now, so I'm pretty used to it now. And in this video I was actually 8 months pregnant, so I guess the pain wasn't really, I mean, my pain threshold is pretty high, I guess, because I really didn't feel any pain, or I'm used to the pain. Anyway, the wax kit comes with an instruction instruction booklet, and it also comes with it comes well packaged. Actually, I really like the way it was packed, and I've been using it since I bought this in 2021. And I'm looking at the price right now on Amazon, which is where I got it from. Yeah, so I got it in August of last year, 2021, and it cost me $44 and I believe 90 something cents. $44.95, but right now it's at $49.25. I guess the list price or regular price is supposed to be $59.95. So if you are interested in getting this kit, you know, just go to Amazon or check the description box down below for the link. I'm not sponsored, or I'm not sure if this link is going to be affiliated either, but it's going to be a link to where I got it from anyways. But yeah, this video is not sponsored in any way. But yeah, I am now going to set the warmer to about I think 170 something is what I usually put it at. Right now in the video I put it at 140, but I increased it because I like it to be not hot, but like hot enough that the wax is mixable, like it's movable, and not too pliable. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but it's, you know, pliable enough for me to use to spread around. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys all the hair on my skin. I've been 8 months pregnant. Everything, including everything, is just growing, like the hair, the baby, everything. So I was really hairy and I couldn't stand all that hair, and I just couldn't wait to get rid of a lot of the hairs on my body. In this video I'm only going to show how I wax part of my face, because I do get hair on there. So right now I'm going to just let the music play so that you guys can enjoy, you know, the rest of the video. Wow. So in case anyone has any question, if I break out, I actually don't break out anymore. The first time I actually waxed was the first and last time I actually broke out, but it was more of a skin bump, but then it went away. It was more of a irritation. And now that I've been waxing and using the same technique, I don't break out. I just simply go with the same steps that I'm doing in this video every single time, and I don't break out. So after I spray the after wax on and wipe it off and remove all the excess wax that's left over, I then use paper towel with really cold water to wipe down it's kind of oily. That after wax has oil in it, I think, so I use it to wipe my face down. Then I use my cactus gel, which you can also substitute for aloe vera gel, but I put this cactus gel in the refrigerator, so it's really cold. It sort of works against the warmth that is on my skin by closing the pores and just kind of soothing everything. And I think that's one of the tricks to preventing breakouts. And according to TRESS Wellness store on Amazon, it says the kit is made for sensitive skin. I have another wax kit that I use, but that's old, so I threw it out and I needed a new one. That's why I got this one. So I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, thanks for watching. That's it.